If you've got a huge family but still like to go off-roading, then Ford has a new Expedition for you. It's called the Expedition Timberline, and it has some really awesome details. The Timberline offers 10.6 inches of ground clearance, which is more than any other vehicle in its class. You also get these really cool 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler off-road tires. We really like the forged green color with this orange accenting on the outside. You also get orange stitching inside, a massive touchscreen from the Mustang Mach-E, and some cool Easter eggs. And the off-road transformation has not hurt practicality. You can still fit 7 or 8 passengers comfortably in this massive body-on-frame SUV. Not only is there plenty of room for your family and their stuff, but the Expedition can tow 9,300 pounds.